In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus so you can use it with any carrier. Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus so you can use it with any carrier. First thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and make sure you're on the keypad. If not, tap the keypad button and you're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show us our IMEI. You'll need to write down this first number at the top. Tap OK. Hit the home button, and now we're going to go to the Google Chrome app, and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First will be the manufacturer, which is Samsung, then the model number, which is going to be the Galaxy S22. So go down to the G section, Galaxy, and then go down to Galaxy S and look for S22 Plus. Here we are. Galaxy S22 Plus. Swipe up and tap unlock now. On the next screen, it will ask you to enter a little more information. So the country that you purchased the phone in our case, United States, the carrier, which will be AT&T. Hit next. And on the next screen, we'll need to enter the IMEI that we wrote down in the first step of the video in this first box here. Next, you'll input your full name, your delivery email address, and a contact number. And then if you swipe up, you can see the price. So this is the average price to unlock this phone. This is what you'll pay, $29.99. And it will take about 24 hours for you to get your delivery email. The delivery email is basically them sending you the final unlocking instructions. Because the process to unlock phones changes from time to time, this is why they need to send you the final instructions that are up to date with unlocking that phone. So you'll get an email that will have those final steps. A few things I want to point out about this site as well is you do have a toll-free number you can call at the top here. You also have a number that you can text 24 hours a day to follow up on your order or ask questions. And also on the main page of the website, you do have a 100% money back guarantee. In the event they're not able to unlock your phone for some reason, you will get your money back. So you have that extra assurance going into it that if there's an issue, you're not going to get stuck losing your money. So once you get your final unlocking instructions, you will need to have a SIM card for the new service you want to use the phone with. In this case, I'll be using the phone with T-Mobile. And I have my SIM tool, which you'll find in the box of your phone. If you don't have that anymore, no problem. Just find a paper clip and bend it back. And you'll just need to find the SIM tray and take the little pin and just push to take out the SIM tray. Take out your old SIM card, put in the new SIM card, and it should trigger the phone to restart. And follow the final instructions in your email and you should be all set with getting your phone unlocked. So hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.